Hi everyone, it's Cosmin, and these are my barley flour muffins with cranberries and maple syrup. Now bear in mind, these aren't very sweet. I like the tartness of the cranberries, so I skipped on some of the maple syrup. If you want yours sweeter, simply double the quantity of maple syrup. In my mixing bowl, I have 120 grams of barley flour, 30 grams of black wheat flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And here I have 100 milliliters of buttermilk, 50 milliliters of pure maple syrup, and to this I'm adding 2 eggs. I prefer to mix my dry and wet ingredients separately before bringing them together. Pour the mixture over your dry ingredients and start mixing from the center of the bowl towards the sides. Keep mixing until you obtain a thick batter. I have these useful silicone muffin molds, but if you don't have any, use paper liners or any non-stick muffin pan. I'm adding 3 fresh cranberries to every mold. Use an ice cream scoop or 2 spoons to fill the molds. I want small muffins packed with cranberries, that's why I'm only filling them halfway up. Told you I wanted a lot of cranberries. These muffins bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Enjoy the barley muffins on their own or with some buttermilk or yogurt. And until next time, Dessertophiles.